Oh, 389, 379, and 369. Yeah, got a little frosty. The old freezing fog thing. So everything's coated in ice. It's like freaking Bitcoin, man. 60 count. 67.79. Here's 21. Remember they were like 18 the other day? Utterly mad. Someone bought one. Some fool. $13 for a dozen eggs. Biden economy for up to half. Dang, here we are, living it up. Living the high life. Not the Miller high life. Oh heck. Well, we got the Matanuska Brewing deep powder porter. From Palmer, Alaska. You had something to say. Alaska is considered to be home to some of the best powder skiing on Earth, whether it's resort, snowcat, heli, or backcountry skiing. If you're going to go deep. And damn, we've gone deep. Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. That's like nice and dark and brown, and I'm wearing it. Nice. Room temperature. Oh, yeah, it's dipped down into the mid-30s here, and they're threatening to clear up and freeze up and possibly get some snow next week. So we might actually get some deep powder versus, I don't know, deep slush.
Can you go ahead?
You can go up the hill a little ways.
Glacier Highway at Travel Lodge with Lima Foxtrot 628.
It's a busy night. But yeah, I mean, you can go up the hill a few hundred feet and get some slush. It's probably not too bad in the interior, but we will definitely be wrapping up the videos for this year once again.
Go ahead.
Yeah. Not sure how many years I've been doing this channel. Well, that's pretty cool. I can watch the parking lot. No, I hate it when I end up lighting both ends of my cigar because I'm stupid that way. But yeah, it's kind of handy. You can watch the parking lot from here. It's about a couple hundred yards, and maybe up to 1,000 feet. Yeah, I've got like 1 million ISO here. I don't know what it really is, but it's pretty high. Pretty grainy at 5x digital zoom. Boy, IR.
Copy. Requesting medical.
Trying to figure out what the heck I was looking at.
212, do you have any info on that?
Mr. Peters' head bleeding.
It's a barge. Has
From
no
where?
lights on it.
So far.
Looks like you got multiple wounds. One on the front of his head, one on the back of his head.
Uh-oh. Wounds.
Good one.
Oh. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, that's the mooring buoy there in the middle. Barge with 0 lights on it. A freaking rusty old barge.
Good one.
But yeah, I mean, I can't see
Getting
nothing.
getting response to local fire apartments, Alpha 1,
Uh-oh.
or an assault victim.
Assault.
Oracle Point, Alpha 1.
Damn. But yeah, I mean, I can't see that barge at all. I can hear it out there. I can hear waves splashing against something. That's the only way I know it's out there.
Second-hand report. The caller's calling on behalf of her 23-year-old daughter, who texted her and said people were cursing and yelling outside.
Oh, shit.
She's got work in a little while. Captain Medway, her number 23, in the area outside.
Karen's daughter. Yeah. I set my cigar down on these damn cigar colored rocks and it probably fell in between them, and I lose more cheap cigars that way.
171, go ahead.
First name Finch. I think you said his last is Scheibler, Shibler, and maybe born 6903.
Youngins. Millennials.
Good order. And the first name was Finch.
Finch. Poor kid.
Finch, like the little bird.
Copy. Dead.
The bird.
Born in 03.
Help me.
Okay. Code for him. He said he'll keep it down. It's 10-8.
He'll keep it down. Chirping.
And you want to report Oracle Point Mountain in the well.
Be keeping an eye on this parking lot all freaking night here. Not damn things happening.
Go ahead.
Oh shit. It got exciting all of a sudden. Oh crap, I just dropped my cigar.
Engine 11,
fuck.
3, single response to fire leak number 307.
Some crazy ass shit. Well,
Go ahead.
it's been an exciting night.
One to the call. Ronell came.
More than Duck could handle. Right, Duck? Damn straight.